Hello, how are you, Billy? Hello, Billy, Billy. Hello, Billy, Billy.
Good boy, Kento. Thank you.
Hello.
You're very kind.
What a good bean.
Good boy, Kento.
Hello.
Thank you. You're kind, Kento man.
Hello, you.
Very nice.
Hello, you. There we go. There's little Mr. Yellow. There's little Mr. Yellow. And there's Miss Ancha. There's Miss Ancha. There's Miss Ancha.
Nicely. Good boy, Kento.
Is it you?
Kento. Oh, how come Tara all suddenly?
Mr. Billy.
Tara's the one only allowed to be here?
Sorry?
Tara's the one only allowed to be here?
Yeah, she came out herself.
Oh, okay. She just decided to be with us?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's good. Asandiyari? Good boy, Kento. What a gentle boy. He chose the best shirts for today to come here. Normally he wouldn't wear those shirts. He just decided, Mommy, I'm gonna wear this one.
Well, it is good. Hello.
Kento man, drop って言ってけ
Drop.
あら。She likes tag. Tag in the wall.
It's not really tag. Tag means you got to. Somebody's got.
Three of you, you're having a
Yeah,
three-way
yeah.
tug.
Taggy, taggy. Taggy, taggy. Taggy, taggy.
He's pulling on.
Yeah,
my
she's
shirt.
strong.
How are you,
Woohoo.
Duke? How are you, Mr. Duke? Mr. Dookie Wookie. Mr.
Hey,
Dookie
Kento
Wookie.
wee.
Mr. Dookie Wookie. Yay. Hey, Mr. Dookie Wookie. Mr. Dookie Wookie.
So how's the ear? Everybody. Oh, orange stands up completely.
Yeah, a few of them.
Almost. The pink was already standing up
Oh, yeah.
before.
Yeah.
So the yellow is standing.
No,
Yellow is
Kento,
half away.
Kento,
Kento, Kento.
please.
Kento.
I don't want Freya jumping that
Kento, do you
high,
remember?
okay?
Do you
It's just I
remember?
don't want her coming down and landing on a puppy because it'll
Yeah,
hurt
yeah,
them.
yeah, yeah.
And she does jump. She doesn't.
How about to sit down next to Linda to play with it? So she'll tell you how you do it. Is that okay, Kento?
Okay, you come and sit.
Yeah, sit with Linda so she can help you how you do it.
I like your shoes.
Yeah, I like that shoes too, so I don't have to do it. Kento can wear himself. Hey.
Ancha.